Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the built-in tracking app. So you can use this plus sign here, and then you'll see meal, and you just click on meal. And the first thing it's going to ask you to do, and you don't always have to do this, you can hit skip, but you can take a picture of some of your foods, and it's actually useful for me if you're doing like a food log, okay? And then once you've taken the picture, now you obviously need to scan it, and there's a little barcode here in the top right hand corner. And what you can do is you can just scan this, and generally it should pick it up, and you can see it has down on the bottom, so you can just go add, okay? And that's that added there, okay? So then you just go review, and we go add. Now we just choose where do we want this. So the nutritional value is up here, and we can obviously add this to snack, and we can say, you know, I don't know, little snack. Okay, you can write in some details if you wish, you don't have to, okay? And then you can just go log. And that's that logged. That's how you log it, okay? It's a little bit similar to MyFitnessPal. You can also search food items, so we can go meal, okay? And we can go skip photo. And let's say we're having, I don't know, let's say bread, all right? Now this is a built-in database, database. So you can go white bread. You can change this here, okay, to slice, and it'll give you the average calories for one slice. And then you can just go add that. And then you can go, let's say ham, and you can search that. And I will come down to see where it says the blue sign, that means it's verified. You can just go ham sliced extra lean if you wish. Change that to slice, or change that to slices or grams. Usually 1 gram is about 15, okay? And then you can change this here, about 15 grams, or just look at the back of the packet and find out what one is. And then you can add that, and that's added. And we can go, let's say, cheese slice, okay? Typical cheese slice is about 80. You can see one slice, you can change it to grams if you want, and you go add. Then you can go review. You can put this into lunch, and you can see we can delete that there. We have white bread, ham slice, extra lean, cheese. Obviously you add condiments or whatever it may be, and then you can just log that, and that's been logged, okay? Oh, that's already been logged for lunch, so you just log that for dinner. And that's that. So now you have like a lunch with no picture, but it's just a basic sandwich. You have a snack, and you also have a dinner, which is just something else that's put in that I've overridden. And like that, like MyFitnessPal, you can delete this as well. And you can also copy this for another day. So copy for another day, and you just choose, maybe you're gonna have that again, and you copy it towards the other day. You can also save these as well. So save as favorites, and you can say, I don't know, chicken and rice dinner, and you can save that in your favorites. And where this is useful is that if you're having this meal on a regular basis, okay, you can go skip, and you can come across the favorites, which it should be there, it's not, but you can save your favorites in here, and you can pull them through the database. So very useful. You can also add products to it if you wish. So sometimes it's not going to scan everything, like any barcode, right? Let's say you drink these Monsters. I've just crushed up, and you want to scan it. It's not going to pick it up, but you can go add custom food, and you can just put in the nutritional value. So this is going to be 500 mils. So we get rid of this, 500 mils. And then the total calories is going to be 61, and then you just have to give the protein 0, and you can write in even carbs if you want. I think this one's 4, and you can write in 0, or you can just write in all 0, and then you can add that, and then you can save that, okay? Unable to save, you just have to give it a name, Monster Energy, okay, and then save, and then that's saved. So I've saved it before. So that, just a quick rundown on how it works. It is very useful, and it's very, very similar to MyFitnessPal. I would suggest that you build up a bank of favorites, so you don't always have to come in and scan things. And then it does have a pretty good verified database as well. So very, very useful, and you can put in some custom stuff that doesn't have it. So hopefully you find